Now face that way.
What do you think of that? It's good, huh?
How about a bigger piece? Where's that
I see
Let me see you.
it. I see it.
Well, we're seeing you.
Natalie, come here.
You're center of the show. Go get a bite of lemon.
Get it in a spoon, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's got some. Look at Uncle Ivan.
Look at Uncle Ivan.
She doesn't really do too many of the sour faces.
She likes it.
She's not really picky.
Yeah.
I see it.
Well, come on then. Come on.
We're taking it.
Did you get my prescription?
Yeah.
Natalie, say, what you doing?
She wants to see this thing.
Say, what you doing?
Whoa!
I see it.
Natalie, come here.
Mom, this.
Come here, let's take a picture of us.
You guys say, hi, Mason and Jeremiah.
Hi, Mason and Jeremiah. Now let's see it. And we'll say, hi, Mason and Jeremiah. You're in here.
Here, you go talk
Can
with
you-
Aunt. Do you want to go talk with Aunt Sis?
Can you see the belly?
Right there.
Yeah.
You're being recorded. Say,
I know.
I want one for Christmas.
Okay.
Not from